So this video is going to be about talking about creating a custom view. So what exactly is a custom view? Well, as you may know that all GUI widgets, not all, but so many GUI widgets in Android inherit from view. You have buttons, you have text views, you have edit text. They're all coming out of this view class element over here. And so the question becomes, what do you do if you wanted to make your own view? So if you wanted to have your own thing that looks like a text view, or have your own thing that looks like a canvas and a drawing palette, like your own little paint splash. So we're going to talk about how to create this, and these sequence of videos are going to describe what is actually involved in doing that. Getting started with this is super straightforward. So I have my main activity over here that you'll remember. I have my onCreate, and I just set the content view as usual. I load in activity main, and in my activity main, I'm loading in my new view. So in order to get my new view, this guy is inheriting from Android view. I make a public class, and I'm extending the view class. So it's the Android view class. And the constructor, there are many options that you'll see when you try to create the constructor for this. I think the good go-to one is one that uses the context and the attribute set, and I would say that this is the minimal configuration. So this is the right constructor to use. This is the right view to inherit from, and when you want to place the view into your app, you're going to have to call it out by the full package name. So here my package name is column example PCCOSIC custom views 01 my new view. And you can find that package name. It's always up at the top. So here's my package name, and this is the package name dot class name. A lot of this stuff is just standard configuration for constraint layouts and so on and so forth. Now, one thing I kind of glossed over is how did I actually get this new view? Well, if you wanted a new view over here, you can simply right-click on the folder that has your package name. Again, I'm doing this in the app view, but I can right-click on the folder and I can say new Java class. And this is where I came up with the thing with my, second view over here. Notice that it's going to create the package name for you. It creates a class, and you can define the superclass as well if you wish. And that I can delete this guy as soon as I make it, but you see that put this inside of here. He is unhappy because he's never used and he doesn't have a constructor and so on and so forth. So I'm just going to delete this guy. We'll go back to normal. But that's it. That's how we get started here. Getting a custom view and getting it into your XML.